many, weight loss is a journey built with obstacles. From slow metabolism to low energy, the process often feels like an uphill battle. You've tried everything: fat diets, intense workouts, and countless supplements. Yet the results are either temporary or non-existent. Mitolyn is not just another weight loss pill. It's a science-backed solution designed to supercharge your metabolism that will help you to shed pounds naturally. I'm gonna tell you everything you need to know about the supplement, but first, let me tell you that I left the link for the official website in the description of my video. After watching it until the end, if you still want to know more information about it, the link will be left just below. But listen to what I have to tell you guys, that I have an alert to share. Its formula targets the mitochondria, the powerhouse of your cells, to optimize energy production and accelerate fat burning. Unlike generic supplements, Mitolyn focuses on cellular health to address the root causes of weight gain. Its ingredients include L-carnitine, CoQ10, and essential vitamins that boost mitochondrial function, increase fat oxidation, and enhance overall energy levels. People report significant improvements not only in their weight, but also in their energy and mood. One woman shared how she lost 20 pounds in just 2 months, while feeling more energized than ever. Another highlighted how Mitolyn helped him break through a stubborn plateau and finally see the results he'd been working toward. And Mitolyn isn't just about losing weight only, it's about reclaiming your vitality. With constant use, you will feel lighter, more active, and ready to tackle whatever life throws at you. You just need to be committed to the formula, of course, and take it every single day to see these results. The minimal treatment with Mitolyn is of 3 months, but I recommend the complete treatment of 6 months so you can see the lasting and effective results you are looking for. In addition to all of these benefits, guys, the producer even offers a money-back guarantee so you can actually test it. And if you don't like or don't see results, they return all of your money back. My only alert is where you're going to get it from, because Mitolyn is only available to purchase on the official website. It's not possible to purchase it in drugstores or other websites, so be very careful with this information. That's why I left the link just below in the description of my video. This is the only place you can get it from, nowhere else, so keep that information in mind. Also on the official website, guys, is the place you can check out the complete information about it, see people's testimonials, complete list of ingredients, and buy the original product. So go now and check it out.